Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Sunita Vlogs with Jessica's. Today we are unboxing Hover-1 Ranger hoverboard. Its weight limit capacity is 220 lbs. Its tires are 6.5 inches. It goes 7 miles per hour max speed, and then max distance per charge it's 6 miles. And its features are it has LED wheel lights, it has LED front sensor headlights, and it has Bluetooth speaker and app enable. And now we're gonna start unboxing. And then this is the power on button, as it says over here and over there. These wheels are so strong you cannot even break them. It's not easy. Did you hear that noise? How you did it?